In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add H1 to H6 heading tags in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign in to your Weebly account. After logging in, click Website, select Edit Site, and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, click the Apps tab at the top to open the Weebly App Center. In the search bar, type H tag and open the app from the search results. Click Add, then select Connect to install the app on your website. After the app is installed, return to the editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. Scroll down to the Installed Apps section in the left panel, then drag the H tag element onto your page where you want to add a heading. Click the H tag element to edit it. Enter your heading text, then choose the heading level you want from H1 through H6. You can also customize the font, text alignment, color, font weight, text transform, size, spacing, and mobile font size to match your website's design. Once you're happy with your changes, save and publish your website so the new heading tags appear live. That's how to add H1 to H6 heading tags in Weebly. Thanks for watching.